Players from Somalia's banking industry have been meeting to take stock of the country's financial landscape. The inaugural conference has been focused on advancing Islamic banking and countering emerging financial crimes such as money laundering and terror financing. Mohamed Kahie attended the event in the Somali capital and filed the following reports.
Authorities in Somalia have underscored the role of banking industry in empowering economic growth of the Horn of African nation. During this week's inaugural banking and financial conference that was attended by more than a dozen banks, including the central bank, officials focused on the role of Islamic banking, innovations and digital market.
We're also discussing more for this year about the Islamic banking as well as innovations, digitalization and Islamic capital markets. All these are some of the topics that we will discuss during this two-day event. We will also focus mainly to discussing about the regulatory requirements, including the compliance and risk management of the banks.
The banking and financial sector is registering rapid growth amid rise in instability in the country. However, global challenges such as money laundering and terror financing are still a threat.
Somalia in 2016 has passed the AML and CFT Act, which is to combat the anti-money laundering and counter-terror financing. And the banks have shown capacities that they could incapacitate their staff to adhere to international standards about the money laundering and the counter-terror financing.
Somalia's central bank has licensed 2 international banks to operate in the country. Somalia's banks are looking to expand their reach in the region, especially when Mogadishu's application to join East African Economic Bloc is approved.
We
are looking for ways in which the Somali financial sector can play its part, as well as establishing relations with counterparts in the region in terms of improving our services to international standards requirements, as our country is looking forward to joining the East African Economic Bloc.
Somalia's government acknowledges that the banking sector creates significant jobs and enhances economy in its ongoing reforms. But compliance with existing financial policies is crucial to advance the sector. After 2 days of discussions, Somalia's first banking and finance conference aims to foster cooperation between the growing sector with relevant agencies both inside and outside the country. Mohamed Kahie, CGTN, Mogadishu, Somalia.